guess I'm still living it. It's still in my blood memory. I mean, literally, the summer of 1989 was the peak of, literally men just dropping like flies. And in the same circle. Because they were gay, because they were artists, because most of them didn't have any kind of affluence in terms of their family background. They were expendable. At least that's how they were treated by wider society. But they were my friends. They were my teachers. They were my mentors. We danced around the reality of not knowing at the time how the disease was. Please forgive me for not being fluent. My heart is racing. How it was passed on from one person to another. I don't know if it was foolish at the time, but we just kept dancing. The only problem was sometimes you'd leave and you'd know possibly you wouldn't see that person the next time you went back, and you didn't. One weekend we had lost like 2 or 3 people, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It was like death became commonplace. And I had to pretend like I wasn't watching them die.